Apsara National Authority to restore the second eastern gate of the Pre Rup Temple. The restoration team from the Department of Conservation of Monuments and Preventive Archaeology of the Apsara National Authority is restoring and strengthening the second east gate of the Pre Rup Temple. In the restoration work, the technicians carry out two main tasks: restoring and reinforcing the decaying brick tower, strengthening the sandstone and laterite structure below, and sealing the cracks and gaps to prevent water as well. This is a part of conservation work that the Apsara National Authority has been carried out on a regular basis to maintain the value of the temple and to keep the tourists safe. It should be noted that the Pre Rup Temple was built in the late 10th century AD 961 by Rajendra Varman II named Sevyalok to dedicate to Brahmanism.